what's happening when you're able to choose your validator. Hello everyone, Wally here, and today I would like to tell you something. Market doesn't always follow what's happening behind the curtains, behind the scenes, and today I would like to talk with you about QuickSilver Protocol, and I think that there is a revolution happening right in front of us in liquid staking protocols. So let's take a quick look. As you could see, we have QuickSilver price. This is not a financial advice or something, just we're taking like an overview what's happening in here. Last 30 days, it went down for 30% and it's still only 400% from its all-time low, and it's 90% from its all-time high. What's happening? Why there is something revolutionary, you may ask, and I will answer. Just you have to listen carefully, trust me. So let's begin from this. Proposal number 33 is now up. It's live to vote, and consider voting if you are a QuickSilver staker. What's interesting in here, QuickSilver launches dYdX. So we will have liquid stake derivative for dYdX, but this is a real thing. You will be able to claim your USDC reward separately from the liquid stake token. So what's happening across the all liquid staking protocols? So we have something in common across them. We lock our tokens, like regular tokens such as Ethereum, to have some like liquid staked Ethereum to use it in DeFi and something. And we have in Cosmos, so everything in Cosmos is like one step ahead of all the other ecosystems. But in here we have liquid staking protocols which auto compounds your rewards. You can't manage your funds freely, and here's something comes from QuickSilver Protocol. You will be able to claim your staking reward separately from a liquid stake token. So you will have a freedom. You will have a freedom to decide what you want to do with your tokens in future. If you don't want to be always compounded, all right, or if you would like to like reinvest this, you're welcome. So this is the first thing, and also I would like to mention that partnership with dYdX is also very interesting for QuickSilver from my point of view. So here we go next. Liquid staking tokens are pretty pointless if they are not being utilized. So guys from the QuickSilver are pleased to announce the upcoming launch of participation rewards. Imagine, just only imagine a world where users are rewarded for actually using their Q assets, where LST providers incentivize DeFi dApps and support their growth. So what does it mean actually? While you use Q assets, I mean liquid staked tokens, which you would like to use, for example, in different DeFi options. At the same time, you could get participation rewards. This is something amazing. It's wonderful when you not only have, so imagine it's kind of a huge snowball. You having your staking rewards, you have your liquid staked position of your stake to use it in DeFi, plus you might be having some participation rewards in the future along with everything which you had before. I guess this is really, really, really interesting. And I haven't seen this in any other solutions. And what's next? It was announced around 1 month ago. Signaling intent. What does it mean? Allows users to delegate Q assets to any validators of their choice. So actually, when you use liquid staking protocols. You lock your tokens in exchange to liquid stake tokens. But what's happening behind the curtains? Something, who knows? But here, you're able to choose your validator which you want to support, which you want to be with. And also, this is a good point for the validators and different companies. If, for example, DeFi fund or something like kind of money manager or something like that wants to create its company along with their personal validator, and they want to utilize their stake tokens as liquid staked and use it in different DeFi options. How do they able to choose some specific validator without Quicksilver? They cannot. But here we are. And also one thing which is also interesting, what's happening when you're able to choose your validator? You tell me. Right, absolutely. You absolutely right. Here's where voting rights comes in play. Should I tell something more? And also, almost 1 month ago, a little bit less, liquid staking module was announced as be ready to roll on QuickSilver Protocol. And currently, with liquid staking module, you can directly convert your staked atoms to qATOM without unbonding. So you don't need to wait 21 days until your atoms will become liquid to have your qATOMs or something. You could just easily convert. And so I'm not sure, but maybe in closest future, let's make some kind of non-financial prediction that it will be enabled for multiple chains, not only for Atom. And let me take a very, very quick look. I will scroll down a little bit. Book of Claiming Rewards Quicksilver, nice. And so I'm really excited what's going on. And for the recent, it also was only 1 month ago. You just imagine this everything happened in only 1 month, and what we will see in upcoming few months of this year. And what's with new qATOM this month? List on CoinGecko, leave for leases on Nolus included in either airdrop and collateral for IST. What's happening in my mind, in my point of view with Quicksilver currently? Someone started to really pay a lot of attention and efforts to improve current state of liquid staking in Cosmos, and not only the Cosmos, but in general, because when other protocols, other chains, other teams are looking on possible solutions for utilizing their technology, their tokens, whatever, they are looking for some tech, obviously. And here's the thing, which actually being developed right, we could behold this and just participate in case of you interested in it. And also one more thing is, I would like to mention also Quicksilver governance and what I just said about the software development of Quicksilver chain. It was upgraded 5 times during only this year, and it's really interesting. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 7th proposal in this year, so it's quite fast. It couldn't be compared to Osmosis governance, but this is something like unbelievable. So let's wrap this up. If you would like to have some more videos on what's happening in Cosmos, please let us know. And yeah, bear with us and look deeper into Cosmos. See you later.